Hello friends, today was a good day to ride. As you can see, I was riding because riding is my passion and I love to ride. You can see I was wearing my helmet, my gloves, riding jacket, armor and riding boots. All these things are important when we are riding or doing anything which we like to do. Precaution and safety is important. At the same point of time, when you ride, there are issues that are going to happen in the bikes, something small, something big, but at any given point of time we should be able to take care of a lot of things in our bikes by using power tools. So let's go upstairs and check what do we have at this point of time to take care of our beloved bikes. So let's go upstairs and see. Thank you. Welcome back. Now, as we had discussed that what are the products that can be used to do or to work on your bike by yourself. So today we have a wide array of products. So we'll go through each and every product and we'll speak about that what is it that this particular thing has to offer and where you can use it in your bike as well. So let's move on to the first product, that would be your impact wrench. Now this particular product, this can be used in a wide array of uses. Now you can take care of the bigger nuts in your bike, say in terms of suspension or the chain sprocket. Now it starts off with 17 millimeter and it goes up to 22 millimeter. And yes, it is made up of chrome vanadium. So that is one of the toughest alloy. So this was impact wrench. Now this impact wrench is used in cars also, in balancing and alignment. In those areas people use that. Now let's come to the second product. Now the second product is a product which won't need a lot of introduction. This is the oldest angle grinder. Now how can we use angle grinder when we are working on the bikes? Now what is it that can be attached to this particular product? Now we can have the buffing pads. So with the buffing pads, we can polish the stainless steel areas that we have in the bikes. You can put any polish, could be an autosol. You can put that thing, and you can use this particular buffing pad to buff and to polish it. This is a grinding wheel. Now at a given point of time, little bit of detailing needs to be done for the bike. Maybe say grinding a particular part. With the cutting this, maybe cutting a particular part and then grinding it so that it is smooth. So fabrication work is done with angle grinder. Loads and loads of things of this kind of nature can be done with this particular product using different attachments. So that is more or less about angle grinder. Now this particular product would be a Karigger die grinder. Now if I look at this particular product, the uses are a lot. It is used across arts, projects, crafts, and a lot of detailing when we talk about bikes. So if you look at the bike, the engine part, the gear part, the parts where there is some corrosion or rust which happens, and wherein you cannot use big products to the detailing, get corrosion out, get some say sanding done, get a little bit of cutting done, wherein big products cannot reach. So for that particular thing we have this die grinder. Now it's a small product and you can place these small, say, grinding wheel, cutting wheels, and this is easy to use also. It is used across multiple projects, and this also helps a lot when we talk about detailing of the bikes. With this particular product, we'll move on to pressure washer. Now, when we talk about pressure washer, it is important to clean the bike, clean the car. All these products that we're talking about, anybody can use it on their own bikes, cars as well. So This is a pressure washer from Karigar. Now, if you look at it, it has a throw of 390 liters per hour, and it's a very versatile machine and has an auto cut as well. So there is no waste of water, and the pressure is pretty nice. So you can use this particular product for cleaning your bike also. So that is one thing that we have. Now, when we talk about detailing, so in terms of grinding, in terms of cutting, in terms of polishing, in terms of buffing, there's a lot of stickering that we also do in terms of graphics, decals, vinyls. All these things when we do for better quality, for better finish, we always use a heat gun. So this has a very high temperature, which basically does the vinyl sticks to the paint better, and yes, the finishing is very good. So with all these products, now we'll go on the last product. Now this box has the cordless product of Karigar. That's a cordless drill that we have. Now, if you look at this box, a lot of things are there that you can do with this particular toolkit. Now, you have different types of bolts which can be used from 13mm as well. You have wrench, you have plier, you have your cordless kit as well. You have your screwdrivers as well. So this is basically a multi-utility box which takes care of your vehicles in your house as well. So today's video we try to cover what Karigar has to offer from a DIY perspective, from a biking perspective, from a car's perspective, in which you can take care of your own products. So thank you for watching, and be safe, ride safe, and be happy. Thank you.